If you touch me, you're going to jail.
No. Just
Back up.
give me your card.
I'm by the exit.
Why not? I'm leaving.
Don't pull away.
I'm leaving.
You're under arrest.
For taking my ass? My fucking...
An airport terminal, 10 self-reported drinks, 3 criminal charges filed on the spot, and 1 officer statement that may expose the department to more liability than the arrest itself. What does Florida law actually say? And who crossed the line?
Alive.
Okay. Ma'am, do you not understand I'm telling you at the airport?
Robbery Copley.
Fucking name. Give me a card. Give me a fucking card.
Hey, I'm right next to here.
Give me
by
your
the
card.
exit. If you touch me, you're going to jail.
No. Just
Back
give
up.
me your card.
I'm by the exit.
Why not? Are you afraid that the Hispanic is going to do something bad for you?
Okay. Listen,
All over News Florida?
you either leave or you're going to go to jail. This is my last time
Okay.
telling you. It's your last
Thank you so
time.
much. I appreciate it.
It's your last time.
What is
One
your
more time.
name?
Either you leave or you're going to jail.
What's your name?
Okay. All right, turn around. Put your hands on your back. Turn around. Don't pull away. Don't pull
Give
away.
me. I'm leaving.
Don't pull away.
I'm leaving.
Don't pull away.
I'm leaving.
You're under arrest.
For what? I haven't done anything.
Put your hands on your back. Let go. Let go. Let go. Listen, stop.
Please
Stop.
let me leave.
I told you you're done.
I need to go to my son.
Okay, you're done. Put your hands behind your back. You're going to jail. You understand that?
Yes, I do.
All right, drop your bag. Drop your bag. Drop your bag. You think?
I will
She
do
going?
anything.
Yeah, she's done.
15?
Yeah, wrap her arm right here.
I just want to go home.
Okay,
with
you're
my
done.
Son, okay?
You're done.
Why? I've never done anything bad to you.
I'm telling you.
Just because of your hair, like hair. I just wanted to see my mommy.
Another one. Put your hands on your back right now.
I got this one. Just watch your chicken.
You're under arrest.
For what?
Okay.
What? For taking my ass? I need my fucking... I need my luggage.
Keep walking.
No.
Okay.
No.
It's fine. You can sit right here.
I need my luggage.
It's fine.
Sit
Sit up.
I am a good person.
Sit up.
This is too hard. Please,
Sit
take
up.
it out.
Sit up.
Take it out. If
Sit
you
up.
ask me to say
Let's go. Stop fighting.
no.
This way.
Come on.
No. Stop there from me. Esto no.
Keep walking.
No. Yo, mi maleta.
You're gonna get it.
No, I have maleta is down.
We're in the terminal walking up the ramp to exit the terminal.
Because I'm white and he said nigger. Okay, man? Guys, I was arrested because I am white, Latina. I need my luggage.
Come on. I don't got time to be arguing with you, lady. Come on, let's go. Keep walking. Which
I
one?
need my stuff. Pendejo. I know my rights.
Yeah, you know your rights. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Can we get a go to
What are you doing is not
What's that?
good.
Can we get a go to Fletcher, okay?
What are you doing
You're gonna
is
get a-
not good.
Oh, yeah.
Tomorrow you're gonna hear the news. Take it out of my hands. Guys, fucking now. Alright? You have the right to do this.
Okay, when I told you to leave, you didn't want to leave. I told you to keep walking.
I said I was going to leave.
And you didn't.
No, and you told me some very horrible thing.
I didn't say anything. You kept calling. You called me a nigger. Did you not? And you called the lady a nigger as well.
Yeah, you just called him another one.
You called me again.
Right out
I
here.
didn't say.
You did. It's on camera.
I said I was a Latina.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
It's all gonna be documented. It's all on camera, so it don't matter to me.
Can you start my hand?
Okay. You're under arrest. I already told you. I told you to leave. You didn't want to leave.
Victor, when we
I
get
was-
in there, either give me your
I
cuffs or
was
switch
leaving.
cuffs.
When Teresa gets here, we'll
Sir.
get her.
Teresa's
she's got
coming
the
over?
handcuff. Yeah, and she's
Sir,
gonna set her,
sir,
okay?
I was going to
Stop
leave.
moving.
Relax, okay?
Obviously, I can smell the alcohol on your breath.
Well, I have a new one.
Okay, well, you didn't get one today.
Son, please. I was going to
Just relax, all right?
She was a problem at the checkpoint too.
She was. She's giving everyone a problem.
They got us.
My mom is dying. My mom is dying.
Where's your mom?
Yeah, take that off.
Let me get this.
Are you flying by yourself?
Let me get this.
With who?
Was that a vape? Yeah, it's a vape. Yeah.
Daughter?
Brother.
Brothers? Okay.
Let me stop the car.
What gate are they at? What gate are they at? Where?
Salt Lake City, sir.
Utah.
Salt Lake City. All right.
And I'm sorry. And I told your girlfriend that I'm sorry, you know.
She's not my girlfriend.
All my clothes and my body's dying. And I have to go, please.
You've been disrespecting everyone since you came in here today.
I didn't do anything, sir.
Okay. Well, let me tell you, you need to stop drinking the way you're drinking.
I want to get but I promise you, I want to go to my son.
That's too much stuff to
Let
take.
me move.
You don't need to move. You can sit right here. You don't need to go anywhere.
You know if
Done
she
here.
had anybody?
She did have to say. Sir,
Stop moving. Sit right here.
you're not American, right?
This is your bag right here to the left? That's yours?
Stop it. Stop.
Just stay
You don't
right
understand
put.
what stop means? Stop
Stay
moving.
Still. Stay still.
Stop moving.
What were you drinking though?
How many drinks did you drink?
Vodka, gin.
No.
What'd you drink?
Who was thinking?
What?
A cloud, whatever.
What is it?
Yes, cloud.
How many cups did you drink?
Huh?
How many glasses of alcohol did you drink today?
Because my was fine.
How many?
I tell you how many.
Okay, tell me how many.
Yes.
10 cups. 10 drinks. Okay. That's a lot. What? I don't think that's a.
And I haven't not driving.
I didn't say you were driving.
So, what, how many? 10?
Yeah, but she was already like this before she got here.
Sir,
The thing is,
it's
that
not like
you have to
alcoholic.
No, she wasn't drinking at the bar though. No, she was hammered when she came in.
They, even through the checkpoint,
She was giving TSA
they
a hard
had,
time.
Okay.
problems.
She was all in the guy's face.
Before she even came in, she was already released.
Yeah. Yelling at the guy's face.
And then the spirit lady came up and got us.
I told the lady I was sorry.
She was swearing at her.
I told the lady I was sorry.
What did you call her?
No, because she told me there was a horrible Latina. And I said, I'm sorry, I am.
Did you call her like a N-word or something?
No.
No, you said it in front of me though.
No.
Yeah, you did.
You are not. You are not. You want me to go to jail?
I don't want you to go to jail.
Yes, you are.
I have
Yes,
nothing
you
against you.
You are all against me.
Who's you all?
Because you start to, I want to go home. I have a 9 years old that I have to go. I'm going to miss you. Don't see my mother. My mom is dying.
You drink, you gotta control yourself though.
But I haven't
got a little out of
drink
control
that
tonight.
much. He betrayed me.
Well, she had
Betrayed me.
Okay, I gotta pat you down.
Pat you down. She had 10 drinks.
Oh!
That's on.
All right.
He told my pussy.
I what?
He told me he want to fuck me.
Stop playing.
No.
Stop playing.
Where
Stop
are they?
playing.
Videotape.
No.
He told me. He told me.
If you kick me and you hit me, I'll punch you in your face. I don't care. I don't care. I'm telling you right now. I don't play around. I don't know how you do that in your country, but we don't do that over here. Video's right here.
That man
It already shows already.
want to fuck me, and I said no, and that's why he arrested me without no reason.
Never in a million dreams. Not even in your dreams it would ever happen.
Quiero violarme, pero no. Por eso me
You
arrestaron.
kick me, I'm gonna hit you.
Y eso,
You better
oh my God.
I'm not moving.
No.
You need to stop drinking. You need to stop drinking.
I am not drunk. This motherfucker was fucking me. I said no, and he arrested me for that. Give me your name, motherfucker. If you are
It'll be
a
on your
man,
police report. It'll be on your arrest.
Man, give me a
You kick me, I'm telling you, you're gonna get dropped.
and give me your name. So you can work on it.
You're gonna get dropped.
You do? I'm not drunk. I
abuse you.
Yep. You're an abuser. Then what?
Why does everyone hate me? Every single one hates me.
You don't know who I am. I'm sorry for doing this to me without a reason. Because you asked me to fuck you and I say no.
I asked you.
And everybody's taking the video.
Okay. This is the video right here. All on video. So they'll see everything you said, how nasty you are, how disrespectful you are, how intoxicated you are.
Say it was to my mom.
You said that many times.
And they say, oh, okay, if you want to go to police, I can fuck you,
What?
That's what you said to me.
Okay. It's gonna be on the police report, don't worry.
Oh my God. You're gonna be fucking sorry. You, your family, and your next generation. I need my stuff. I need my stuff. Here. Y no la pude ir a ver por tu culpa, maldito. 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 No, please.
Don't do it.
Please, I'm so sorry. I didn't say anything incorrect, please. I need to go to my mom. She's gonna let you, please. Please, sir. Please. Please. Please, sir. I don't know.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit.
The Fourth Amendment permits a warrantless misdemeanor arrest when officers directly observe the offense being committed in their presence. No warrant is required. Probable cause attaches the moment unlawful conduct occurs in plain view of a law enforcement officer. Florida Statute 856.11, disorderly intoxication, requires two elements. The person must be intoxicated, and they must cause a public disturbance in a public place. Multivitamin critically, intoxication need not begin in the officer's presence. Prior conduct at the TSA checkpoint is legally admissible. Florida Statute 877.3, disorderly conduct, prohibits acts that outrage public decency or constitute a breach of the peace. Florida Statute 810.8. Trespass is complete the moment a person willfully remains after a lawful directive to leave has been issued and documented. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989, establishes the constitutional standard for use of force. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. Three factors apply: severity of offense, immediate threat, and active resistance. Under International Society for Krishna Consciousness v. Lee, 505 U.S. 672, 1992. Airport terminals are non-public forums. Government authority to regulate conduct is broader here than in traditional public forums such as streets or parks. This limits the constitutional weight of any free speech claim by the subject. 42 U.S.C. Section 1000. 900 multivitamin 983 imposes civil liability when a person acting under color of state law deprives another of a clearly established constitutional right. A lawful arrest does not immunize every word spoken during it. Threatening an arrestee with force beyond what is legally justified is independently actionable. The legal lesson is precise. Florida Statute 836.5, threats and extortion, may apply when threats of physical harm are made under color of law, regardless of whether the threat is carried out. Professional conduct and legal authority are not the same standard, and courts treat them separately. 3 charges. Solid statutory foundation. Officers legally within their arrest authority, but one statement remains on camera. And Section 1983 does not require a threat to be carried out for liability to attach. Is the arrest the real legal story in this footage, or is it what was said after?